Hello. What's it? Hello. আচ্ছা ওই টিউবটা নিচেরটা একদম নিচেরটা বন্ধ করে না সুইচ অন করে দাও। গুড আফটারনুন এভরিওয়ান। তো আজ গত ক্লাসে আমরা নর্থ ইস্ট জিকে আসামের সম্পর্কে আমরা ক্লাসে ডিসকাশন করছিলাম। তো আজকে সেটার সেই ক্লাসটা কন্টিনিউ করবো আজকে। সো টুডেজ ফার্স্ট কোয়েশ্চেন ইজ today's first question is which wildlife sanctuary which wildlife which wildlife sanctuary which wildlife sanctuary is located in the Karbi Anglong district? Which wildlife sanctuary is located in the Karbi Anglong district? In the Karbi Anglong which wildlife sanctuary is located in the Karbi Anglong district? Which wildlife sanctuary is located in the Karbi Anglong district? So what are the name of the sanctuaries? It is first one is Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary. First one is Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary. Second is Marath Longri Wildlife Sanctuary. First one is Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary. Then next one is Marath Longri Wildlife Sanctuary. Third one is Nambor Wildlife Sanctuary. Nambor Wildlife Sanctuary. Fourth one is East Karbi Anglong Wildlife Sanctuary. East Karbi Anglong East Karbi Anglong Wildlife Sanctuary, and the last one is, fifth one is North Karbi Anglong Wildlife Sanctuary. North Karbi Anglong, North Karbi Anglong Wildlife Sanctuary. So these are the 5 wildlife sanctuaries that are located in the Karbi Anglong district of Assam. So the first one is Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary. Next is Marath Longri Wildlife Sanctuary ML. Marath Longri Wildlife Sanctuary. Next one is Nambor Wildlife Sanctuary. And in the name of district, that is Karbi Anglong, that is East and North. East Karbi Anglong Wildlife Sanctuary and North Karbi Anglong Wildlife Sanctuary. So these are the 5 wildlife sanctuaries that are located in the Karbi Anglong district of Assam. These are the 5 wildlife sanctuaries that are located in the Karbi Anglong district of Assam. That is Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary. Remember the name Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary. This wildlife sanctuary is very, very important because it is come in various competitive exams. This is the repeated question that has been asked in several competitive exams. That is Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary. By giving the name of the wildlife sanctuary, the question may ask that this wildlife sanctuary is located in which state of India? That is Garampani Wildlife Sanctuary is located in in Assam. And Assam, which district? Karbi Anglong district. And next one is Marath Longri ML. Remember the alphabetical order ML. Marath Longri Wildlife Sanctuary, and then one is Nambor. In the Marvel Cinematic Universe, in the Black Panther, if you have watched this film, that is Namor. Namor was the villain in the Black Panther sequel film. Namor. Remember the mnemonics name Namor. That is Nambor Wildlife Sanctuary. Nambor Wildlife Sanctuary. If you replace the B, that name is Namor. That is Namor is the villain in Black Panther. So remember the mnemonics name. Second one is Marath Longri ML. That is the alphabetical order LM. Marath Longri Wildlife Sanctuary. Namor, that is Nambor Wildlife Sanctuary. And in the name of district, that is Karbi Anglong, that is East Karbi Anglong Wildlife Sanctuary and North Karbi Anglong Wildlife Sanctuary. These are the 5 wildlife sanctuaries that is located in the Karbi Anglong district of Assam. Next one question is Pabitora Wildlife Sanctuary. Pabitora Wildlife Sanctuary. Pabitora Wildlife Sanctuary is known for Pabitora Wildlife Sanctuary is known for what? One-horned rhinos. One-horned rhinos. Rhinoceros. One-horned rhinoceros. So that Pabitra Wildlife Sanctuary is famous for, that is Pabitra Wildlife Sanctuary is known for one-horned rhinoceros. That is the Pabitra Wildlife Sanctuary. And we have also learned that one-horned rhinoceros is found in which national park? That is Kaziranga National Park. That is one-horned rhinoceros is found in Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park. If it comes in the national park, name of the national park, it is Kaziranga National Park. And if it comes in wildlife sanctuary, it is Pabitora Wildlife Sanctuary. So remember the name. If it is if the name given in national park, it is Kaziranga National Park is famous for one-horned rhinoceros, and if the name in wildlife sanctuary, that is Pabitora Wildlife Sanctuary is famous for one-horned rhinoceros. So remember this question. Next question is Chakrashila Wildlife Sanctuary. Chakrashila Wildlife Chakrashila Wildlife Sanctuary protects which animal? Chakrashila Wildlife Sanctuary protects which animal? Chakrashila Wildlife Sanctuary protects which animal? That is golden langur. Golden langur is golden langur. So Chakrashila Wildlife Sanctuary protects which animal? It is golden langur. And Chakrashila Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which district of Assam? Chakrashila Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Dhubri and Kokrajhar district of Assam. Dhubri and Kokrajhar. Dhubri and Kokrajhar district of Assam. Dhubri and Kokrajhar district of Assam. If the question asked the previous one, it is Pabitara Wildlife Sanctuary. That Pabitara Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which district of Assam? It is located in Morigao district of Assam. Morigao. Morigao district of Assam. Morigao district. So Pabitara Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Morigao district of Assam, and Chakrashila Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Dhubri and Kokrajhar district of Assam. So remember the name of the district, which national park, which wildlife sanctuary is located, and which district of and in which state. So remember the name Pabitara. If the question asked that Pabitara Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state of India, or Chakrashila Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state of India. So what we have studied, that Pabitara Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Morigao, Morigao district of Assam. Chakrashila Wildlife Sanctuary is located in that Dhubri and Kokrajhar district of Assam. Dhubri and Kokrajhar district of Assam. So, and Pabitara Wildlife Sanctuary is famous for one-horned rhinoceros, and Chakrashila Wildlife Sanctuary is famous for golden langur. Golden langur. So, remember the some important wildlife sanctuaries. Some important wildlife sanctuaries, that is Hastinapur Wildlife Sanctuary. Hastinapur. We already know that this place is mentioned in Mahabharat. Hastinapur. Hastinapur Wildlife Sanctuary. So, Hastinapur Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which state? Hastinapur Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Uttar Pradesh. Hastinapur Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Uttar Pradesh. Hastinapur Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Uttar Pradesh. Next one is Nongkhilam Wildlife Sanctuary. Nongkhilam Wildlife Sanctuary. Nongkhilam Wildlife Sanctuary. It is located in Meghalaya. Located in Meghalaya. So remember the name. Pabitora Wildlife Sanctuary in Assam and Chakrashila Wildlife Sanctuary is also in Assam. And Chakrashila Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Dhubri and Kokrajhar district of Assam, and Pabitora is located in Morigaon district of Assam. And Hastinapur Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Uttar Pradesh, and Nongkhilam Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Meghalaya. Nongkhilam Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Meghalaya. Next question. Moving to the next question. It is Bornadi Wildlife Sanctuary. Bornadi Wildlife Bornadi Wildlife Sanctuary. Bornadi Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in Bornadi Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in Udalguri, Udalguri district of Assam. Udalguri district of Assam. Udalguri district of Assam. Udalguri district of Assam. So Bornadi Wildlife Sanctuary is situated in Udalguri district of Assam. Next question is Sonai Rupai Wildlife Sanctuary. Sonai Rupai. Sonai Rupai Wildlife Sanctuary lies in Sonai Rupai Wildlife Sanctuary lies in Sonitpur district of Assam. Sonitpur. Sonitpur district of Assam. Sonitpur district of Assam. That is, Sonai Rupai Wildlife Sanctuary lies in Sonitpur district of Assam. Sonai Rupai Wildlife Sanctuary lies in Sonitpur district of Assam. So, Sonai Rupai Wildlife Sanctuary lies in Sonitpur district of Assam. And next important question is that Sonai Rupai Wildlife Sanctuary is declared. Sonai Rupai is declared as a wildlife sanctuary in which year? Sonai Rupai is declared as a wildlife sanctuary in which year? The question may also come that Sonai Rupai is declared as a wildlife sanctuary in which year? So the year is, remember the year, that is declared in the year, declared as a wildlife sanctuary, declared as a wildlife sanctuary in the year 1998. That Sonai Rupai Wildlife Sanctuary declared as a sorry sorry Sonai Rupai declared as a wildlife sanctuary in which year? In it is in the year 1998. And what is the area of Sonai Rupai Wildlife Sanctuary? Area is 175 kilometer square. 175 kilometer square. 175 kilometer square. That Sonai Rupai Wildlife Sanctuary declared as a Sonai Rupai Wildlife Sanctuary is declared as a wildlife sanctuary in the year 1988. And what is the area of Sonai Rupai Wildlife Sanctuary? Its area is 175 kilometer square. Its area is 175 kilometer square. Moving to the next question. Bhedjan Borajan Padumoni Wildlife Sanctuary. Bhedjan Borajan Bhedjan Borajan Padumoni Wildlife Sanctuary. Padumoni Wildlife Sanctuary. Bhedjan Borajan Padumoni Wildlife Sanctuary is located in in Tinshukia district of Assam. Tinshukia district of Assam. Tinshukia district of Assam. That is Bhedjan Borajan Padumoni. Bhedjan Borajan Padumoni Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Tinshukia district of Assam. That is BBP. Bhedjan Borajan Padumoni Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Tinshukia district of Assam. Next question is the Holongapar Gibbon Wildlife Sanctuary is home to the Holongapar Gibbon Wildlife Sanctuary is home to Hulok Gibbon. Hulok Gibbon. The Holongapar Gibbon Wildlife Sanctuary is home to Hulok Gibbon. Next question is Bura Chapore Wildlife Sanctuary. Bura Chapore that is Bura Chapore Wildlife Sanctuary lies on the bank of which river? Lies on the bank of which river? Bura Chapori Wildlife Sanctuary lies on the bank of which river? That is Bura Chapori Wildlife Sanctuary lies on the bank of which river? That is Brahmaputra River. Brahmaputra River. And if the question comes that Burachapuri Wildlife Sanctuary is located in which district of Assam? That is Sonitpur district of Assam. Burachapuri Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Sonitpur district of Assam. So, Bornari Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Udalguri district, and Sonai Rupai Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Sonitpur district, and Bura Chapuri Wildlife Sanctuary is also located in Sonitpur district of Assam. And the question asks that Bura Chapuri Wildlife Sanctuary is located in the bank of which river? That is Brahmaputra River. And the Holangapar Gibbon Wildlife Sanctuary is home to which animal? It is Holok Gibbon. And Bhedjan Borajan Padumoni Wildlife Sanctuary is located in Tinshukia district of Assam. Tinshukia district of Assam. Now let's move to the next question. Question number 9. The Ranghar is also known as 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 House of Entertainment. House of Entertainment. The Ranghar is also known as House of Entertainment. Why? House of Entertainment. House of Entertainment, and it is also known. The Ranghar is also known as the Royal Pavilion. The Ranghar is also known as Royal Pavilion. The Ranghar is in English. The Ranghar is known as the House of Entertainment, and the in the language it is known as Royal Pavilion. Royal Pavilion. Royal Pavilion. Royal Pavilion. So why Ranghar is important? Because in this place, Rangali Bihu festival was first celebrated. Rangali Bihu. Rangali Bihu Rangali Bihu festival was first celebrated Rongali Bihu festival was first celebrated in Ranghad in the year 1746. In 1746. And who was the king at that time? It is Ahom King. Ahom King. Ahom King Pramatta Singha. Ahom King Pramatta Singha. So Ahom King Pramatta Singha was the king of at that time when Rangali Bihu festival was first celebrated in Ranghad. That's why the Ranghad is named as House of Entertainment or Royal Pavilion. And Ranghad is located in which district of Assam? It is located in Shivsagar district. Shivsagar district of Assam. Shivsagar district. Shivsagar district of Assam. And Ranghad is also known as Colosseum of the East. That the question may also ask that which place is known as the Colosseum of the East? Which place is known as the Colosseum of the East? It is Ranghad. Colosseum of the East. Colosseum. Colosseum of the East. Which place is known as the Colosseum of the East? That is Colosseum of the East is named as Ranghad. And Ranghad is located in Shivsagar district of Assam. This is very important question. Colosseum of the East. That is Ranghad is known as the Colosseum of the East, and it is also known as the House of Entertainment, and it is also known as Royal Pavilion. In the Royal Pavilion means the place where the festival is celebrated. The place where festival is celebrated, and House of Entertainment. And Rongali Bihu. And Assamese people, Rongali Bihu is a important festival of Assam, and it is the Bihu. This festival is celebrated as the harvest, agricultural festival of Assam, and Rongali Bihu is the agricultural festival of Assam. Now let's move to the next question. Tezpur. Tezpur is situated. Tezpur is situated on the bank of which river? Tezpur is situated on the bank. On the bank of which river? Tezpur is situated on the bank of which river? It is Brahmaputra. Brahmaputra. Tezpur is situated on the bank of Brahmaputra river. Tezpur is also the place of Assam, important place of Assam. Now let's move to the next question. The Ambari archaeological site. The Ambari archaeological site. The Ambari archaeological site is located in The Ambari archaeological site is located in Guwahati. The Ambari archaeological site is located in Guwahati. The Ambari archaeological site is located in Guwahati. Now let's move to the next question. Srimanta Sankaradeva, Srimanta Sankaradeva Kalakshetra. Srimanta Sankaradeva Kalakshetra is located in Srimanta Sankaradeva Kalakshetra is located in Panjavani, Guwahati. Srimanta Sankaradeva Kalakshetra is located in Guwahati, and where name the place where it is located, it is Panjavani. It is Panjavani. It is Srimanta Sankaradeva Kalakshetra is located in Panjavani, Guwahati. Now let's move to the next question. Which tourist site is also known as the land of eternal romance? Which tourist site is also known as the land of eternal romance? Which tourist site is also known as the land of eternal romance? Which tourist site or tourist place is also known as the land of eternal romance? Land of eternal romance. So land of eternal romance, it is tourist site is Tejpur. So Tejpur is known as the land of eternal romance. Tejpur is known as the land of আধা ঘন্টা
আরো আধা ঘন্টা ক্লাস বাকি আছে। পাঁচ মিনিট বলতে পারো? তুমি জাস্ট স্টপ করে দিয়ে স্টপ করে দেবো। আজকে স্টপ করে হ্যাঁ তুমি স্টপ করে দিতে ম্যাম বলছে আর কি, তুমি আধা ঘন্টা পরে আবার শুরু করো। 5 মিনিটের জন্য কল দিচ্ছে। 5 মিনিট পরে চলে, 5 মিনিট পরে স্টপ বলছি কি স্টপ করে দেবো না এই থাকো চলো।